In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your menu, both here on the top and in the footer. So first we're going to log in to our admin side of the Eastridge website, which is eastridge.org/wp-admin. You're going to log in with your credentials. Then you're going to go down to the Appearance menu item and you're going to select Menus. We have many different menus that we use on our website. The main primary menu is the one that extends along the top of every page of our website. If you click this down arrow, you'll see that we have a lot of different menus. Each menu corresponds to the page that it's on. So if you want to change something about the About menu, you can select it from the drop-down list, and then make sure you press Select, or else nothing will update right here. And now you see that we have our menu About that reflects the menu that's on our About Us page. Staff through weddings, then we have staff through weddings. Our footer menu is held in the footer menu, and you can see you can change and add to it there. For all of our menus except our main primary menu, I'll get into our main menu here in just a moment. For all of the other menus, you can add and take away menu items very easily. If I want to add a page to our footer menu, let's say our calendar, all I have to go is to Pages. If I've recently changed it, it's going to show up in Most Recent, or I can go to View All and scroll through all of our different pages that we have. And I can click, let's just say, New to Eastridge, and I'm going to click Add to Menu. You see that shows up right there? I can change the label that it has on it. You see that it will keep the original. And that's all I have to change. I can press Save Menu. And once I go back to the Eastridge website, if I scroll down to the bottom, you see that Hello World, which takes me to the New to Eastridge website, the New to Eastridge page. To remove that Hello World, all you have to do is open it up and click Remove. Make sure you save your menu, and once you go back to the page again, any page, because it's our footer, you'll see that it's removed. So that goes for every single menu except for our main. Our main menu is slightly different. On our main menu, I'm going to bring it up and press Select. Our main menu is built of a Max Mega Menu Settings, or Max Mega Menu, which is a plugin that we have installed so we can do more to our menu items. You'll see when I hovered over this, we have a blue mega menu where everything else had a gray mega menu. So if I click on that blue mega menu, it's going to come up with a pop-up box. Now for our home button, we don't actually see the home button. That's because it's hidden. There is an icon that will show up there that will help direct people back to the home page whenever they've scrolled below to where this main image is out of sight. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to go to the About Us mega menu. For the mega menu, we can put a lot of different elements into a single menu. We can make it so many columns wide, from 1 to 8. And we can add archives, calendars, pages. We can add many different things to our mega menu. So for our About Us page, you see that we have text, and then we have individual links. And the way that that's done, I'm just going to add them again so you can see it. You see that it's already built here, but I'll show you how to add it. Go to Select a Widget. I'm going to go to Text, and you'll see that it pops in a new text widget there. I'm going to make it span all 8 columns, but if you can tell, each time I move it, it expands 1 column at a time. So I'm going to make this go to all 8 columns. I'm going to pop it down. I can add a title if I want. and I'm going to add some text to it. I'm going to press save. You'll see there's a little orange save icon. And now if I go back to our website and I hover over About Us, you'll see that my title appears and my How Are You text appears. You'll notice there's no title on this one because I left the title blank, which you can easily do. To put the pages into our menu, we had to do a little bit of fiddling around. So if I open up one of these page areas, you see my title is not to be found because this is a text. This is just like the one up here. It's going to have a title and an area. And I created a link. It's not important for you to know what ahref means, but what you can do is you can copy any one of the menu items that are there already and create a new link from it. So I've opened this up, I've selected everything, I've pressed copy. Now I can go back up to the top, select text, bring the text down, and I can paste it right there. Now where it says staff in the capitalized, I can put a new one called test, and here I can copy any URL from the Eastridge website and add it there. So let's say I wanted to make this one go to eastridge.org/calendar. So I've copied that URL and now I'm putting it in there and I'm going to press save. And now if I refresh the website, go to About Us, you see that my test is centered between these two columns. You'll see because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns wide. So these two columns, which is how I had it set to span 2 columns. And my test is right there. If I click it, it's going to refresh this page because it's the right page. So that's how you update the main menu, the footer menu, and all of the menus on all of our different pages.